Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I use the air fryer to make some catfish fillets. Sound good? Stick around. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and preheat the air fryer. What I season the catfish with is garlic powder, Lowry seasoned salt, and a little parsley and some cayenne pepper. Just very simple. I'm also going to go ahead and dredge it in the fish fry by Zatarain's. Spray your basket with olive oil spray. I find that helps to keep the fish from sticking to the basket. Just use your tongs and place the fillets in the basket. I think both should be able to fit. Yeah, that works. Okay, now the key to the crispiness with the catfish is to spray it again with some olive oil spray. Liberally go ahead and spray the tops. I got that from Trader Joe's. Okay, so we're gonna do 400 degrees for 12 minutes. Looks good so far, but I'm gonna put them back in because I want to make sure that when I take them out of the basket that they don't fall apart. Alright, I coupled them with some scrambled eggs, fresh fruit, and tartar sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment. And hit that bell on the way out to make sure that you're up to date on all of our latest videos. See you soon.